fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. So today we are actually going to be doing a decorate my room for Christmas with me video, and I think overall the video turned out pretty well. I have a few DIYs in here for you guys to do. I got some Christmassy things, and this is definitely more low budget for the people that don't really want to spend a crazy amount. Just use what you have and then DIY some of it. I just hope you guys enjoy this video and decorate your rooms with me, or drink some hot chocolate, or do something. My sister did want me to shout her out because I am wearing a Christmas sweater. It says ba la 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 la. I don't have a Christmas sweater, so let's get on to the video. So it's day one. It's day one of preparing my room for Christmas. And so I just want to quickly say that this room was actually redecorated, and repainted recently, within the last few years, because it used to be an ugly green when we were little, and then we got it kind of redone. But a lot of the pieces that we got from stores were antique pieces, so they took a little bit of a DIY. I'll insert some pictures of what we're painting here today. It's this little bench. We're gonna paint this white. We already did the first coat for this summer, and we're gonna finish painting it white, so that way we could put a white fluffy blanket on it and a Christmas pillow. And so I'm just going to use this paint because it's 70 degrees today and sunny. So I figured we could finish this up and make it look really cute for our Christmas bedroom. So I'm going to go ahead and dust it really thoroughly, so that way we can get all the dust out and that way the paint will stick. So hey guys, people see me. Feeling like this isn't doing anything, so my mom's, I think, gonna come and help me. You're not in it. Take a look. It's gonna go right underneath this TV, and then I'm gonna have the tree right here, I think, and then we're gonna have a cute little festive pillow on there that kind of matches my blue and white and gray theme. And actually I'm working on making an insert, so obviously it needs more stuffing, but I bought a case that should fit the dimensions, and I didn't want to have to buy an insert too, so I'm making that. I sewed it and I'm just filling it more with stuffing, and then I'll hand sew the rest of it. So today's the day that we're decorating the tree. We have the tree right here, and I actually went to the store, insert the clips. I ended up not getting anything because my sister, she reminded me that she had these ornaments in her classroom that she wasn't using, so I don't know if gold will match my room. I already have some silver ones like this that we'll put on there, so the gold ones we'll see. And then I also got this little white tree that I feel like I can make work in my room, and she also gave me some snowflakes. I don't know if I'll use these. day 3. Day 3 is the day that we are going to be decorating, like using everything that I showed you kind of earlier to decorate my room and just put the finishing touches on it, and then I'll do the big reveal. This is the pillow that I was talking about earlier. It matches my room perfectly because it's like a vintage car, and then it has this little Christmas tree on the front. It doesn't like scream Christmas or anything, but it's really cute. It is a tad bit browner than I thought, like it's almost burlappy, and so I don't know if it can go on the white stool, because it being on the white stool, it just makes it look more brown, if that makes sense, because it's being put by something so purely white. But so we're gonna find a place for that. I have that tree that I showed you earlier that we're gonna find a place for, and I got this, my sister actually got this, SC Johnson, a family company, Glade plug-in scented oil, and the scent Apple of My Pie. It looks like this, so we'll plug that in too. That's not really a decoration, but that way you can get, I don't have a candle, so that way you can get in the vibe with me. And the reason why I'm dressed in a coat is because we're gonna go back to the store. We're gonna go to the store, and I found this really, really cute white little deer that I think will go perfectly in my room. Okay. So now I think we're gonna go ahead and head to the attic, because hopefully I can find some decorations up there. Okay guys, I have good news to report. I found this really ugly wreath up in my attic. Look how ugly that is. So what I'm planning on doing is, it's small enough to where I think I could like reshape the like bristles and make them all go the right direction, cut off the red and stick silver ornaments in it, and put it on my closet door. Our next step is to go ahead and start chopping off some of this red stuff. So I'm gonna get started on that. Hopefully it'll work, so be right back. So that's with all the points. Oh God, she's really rough. Okay, let's see if we can just bend her back. Okay, it's a little thin in some areas. Okay, so I just grabbed a few ornaments off my tree just to see what it will look like if I were to just go ahead and put them on here. I don't know, is that too big? See, how do we think that something like that looks? I'm actually seeing potential. I don't know about you, but I'm seeing potential. I'm imagining, it looks a little misshapen, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm imagining these were from my tree. I'm gonna put these back on my tree, go back to the store, get little dollar silver ones and fill the spaces where it's too thin. And then I'm gonna hang it on my closet. But I see potential. It's already looking a lot better from when I first showed. And I think the ornaments will make it look better. So, bye. We're back, guys. It's getting really dark, so I'm gonna have to stop filming soon. But I got these, and I'm hoping that'll be enough to cover this. They were kind of pricey for these cheap little plastic things. They were $3. I was like, thought they'd be like $1, but this whole thing might be scrapped. But I'm just trying to make this video as festive and good for you guys and for my own enjoyment. And if you're curious, the scent thing smells so good. Oh, and I guess you can set it on like a certain like setting to where it expels more scent or a little less if you want just like a light fragrance. But now I'm gonna get to work, so. Okay, so my hope is to do something like this. Obviously this placement is absolutely horrendous because they're not glued in. I just popped them in just to see like get an idea. I didn't use them all, but I'm thinking that this does definitely have potential. Okay guys, so an update. This is the finished wreath. And as you can see, you're probably thinking this looks a lot different. I actually went back up in my attic and I found another wreath that was super cheap and that my mom did not care about. It's a lot thicker around, so I feel like that already looks a lot better. And so what I did was I went back to the store and got all of these little ornaments. And I also put some of the bigger ones, just 4 big ones from my tree into this. So that way I just gave it a little bit more dimension on size of ornaments. And how I attached them was, I don't know if you can see, but like yeah, there's no way you're gonna see, but like where that ornament was, I just attached some fishing wire and then I tied it really closely to the root of the wreath, and then I can just slide it around wherever I want to get the right placement, and that way hopefully I can use it for years to come. So I feel like that turned out pretty well. The wreath hanger, I wish it was white, but I didn't have time to paint it. Naturally I would have, but I feel like it matches the hinges, so it's okay. This is an old hanger that I just bent into place to fit my door. And then I ended up moving this white bench that was originally over there to here because the black table, I felt like it needed some work. It needed to be stripped and painted, and so I just feel like the white bench clears up a lot of space back there, and I feel like it just looks cleaner. I'm gonna put this white tree, I think, right there. I feel like that kind of, it does blend in a little bit like with the white in the background, but I feel like for the most part I think it looks pretty cute and elegant there, and I don't really know where else this size of tree would fit. I forgot to show you guys earlier, I put that little smelly scented thing in, and it smells really good. I'm thinking, so there's like a lot of bare space on this dresser, and I have Christmas here, Christmas on that nightstand with that little tree, and obviously the Christmas tree. So I'm thinking something else could go here, and I'm thinking the pillow might work best here. Like I said earlier, it looks a little funky on this white bench because you can see it's already burlap, and then it's on this like really white thing, so then it looks kind of like dark and like brown and like it's dirty, so I don't really like that. So I'm thinking the best option is right here, if that'll focus. The pillow really ties in with this kind of like almost burlappy looking light painting, if that makes sense. So yep, I think that's what we'll do. You guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys got some inspiration for Christmas, or at least you got in the Christmas spirit, listening to some Christmas jams while you watch me decorate. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, fashionistas!